Hello my friends, brothers and sisters, how are you? I hope you will be fine and I pray for you blessing of God always with you in every field of life. Today I present a different topic about the Pakistani country and society where I am living. This is a reality of our society where I am living. I am seeing in different categories in our daily lives. It is my practical and I am wanting to share with you about this reality. Our topic today, I am a part of a society where I present some reasons behind this culture and society where I am living, and Pakistani culture is not developing. Why and how we are discussed. I present different categories and different reasons behind this current situation where I am living. The first reason I present, and 2, 3, 4 and 5 are only some situations behind and current situation where I am living, and only short topic where I will discuss about the current situation of Pakistan, especially where I am living. First of all, our topic, I am a part of a society where books are decorated in the sidewalk and shoes are decorated in the shops, in the glasses. This is the first reason behind the current situation of Pakistani where not developing. And the second reason behind, you have a relationship with everyone, but there is no hope for everyone. This is the second reason behind the current situation of Pakistani society. And the third reason behind, I saw them supporting the religious, but I did not see them living according to the religious. This is the third and big reason behind the current situation where I am living, and Pakistan is not getting the development in real meaning and real message about the current situation. And the fourth reason behind the, I am a part of a society where corrupt is life left but strife is killed. And the third reason behind it, I did not see the living being given bread, but I saw others distributing in it the name of the dead. The sixth reason behind it, I am a part of this society where not so much worship in the according to the name and according the name of religious as heated. And the seventh reason behind this country and culture, I saw less consciousness and more noise. I saw low reason behind the education system where rata system. These are big reasons behind the current situation of Pakistan where not development. And the last of our reason behind, I saw them walking behind the funeral, but I did not see him following. These are big and only short reasons behind the current situation of Pakistan where I am living, and Pakistan is not getting the development in the real meaning and real kind. Thank you so much.